garden near the wall. Two bright jellyfish swam so free, wiggling gently in the sea. Three cute cats were on the chase, running after a mouse in a race. Four red ladybirds took a rest on a sunflower warm and best. Five cheeky monkeys on a tree, swinging wild and full of glee. Six buzzing bees flew through the air, in the jungle here and there. Seven ducks went quack and ran to play, as one small kid fed them today. Eight kind Dino by her eggs so bright, kept them warm both day and night. Nine tall ostrich ran around, playing games on grassy ground. 10 happy kids in a tug of war, pulling ropes and shouting more. The cow in the field goes moo moo moo, the sheep in the grass goes ba ba ba, the duck in the pond goes quack quack quack, the dog in the yard goes woof woof woof. All day long they sing their song, come sing along and clap along. The cat on the mat goes meow meow meow, the horse in the barn goes neigh neigh neigh, the pig in the pen goes oink oink oink, the hen on the nest goes cluck cluck cluck. All day long they sing their song, come sing along and clap along. The frog in the pond goes ribbit ribbit, the bird in the tree goes tweet tweet tweet, the bee in the hive goes buzz buzz buzz, the lion in the zoo goes roar roar roar. All day long they sing their song, come sing along and clap along. The lion, proud and bold, marching through the jungle go. Stomp your feet and give a roar, let's all dance across the floor. It's the animal dance parade, hooray! Wiggle, wobble, jump and sway. Clap your hands and move your feet, feel the rhythm, feel the beat. Now the bunny's hopping in, with a great big toothy grin. Bounce up high and land down low, hop around, ready, set, go. It's the animal dance parade, hooray! Wiggle, wobble, jump and sway. Clap your hands and move your feet, feel the rhythm, feel the beat. Here's the penguin in a line, waddling slow, it's party time. Flap your wings and slide around. Penguin fun on icy ground. It's the animal dance parade. Hooray! Wiggle, wobble, jump and sway. Clap your hands and move your feet. The animal dance can't be beat. Now the monkey swings so free, from tree to tree in the canopy. Scratch your head and shake your tail. Make some noise and never fail. It's the animal dance parade. Hooray!